Our Bowling Green facility was constructed in 1975. It's about 113,000 square feet. Lord built it as a greenfield location as we looked to establish a plant in the Midwest that was much closer to our core customer base, which is located all across North America. We are an employer of choice in Bowling Green. We've got employees in our facility that have been with us for close to 40 years. Certainly the experience and value they bring to our operation is second to none. They're really the lifeblood of what allows our plant to operate. We produce a broad range of products in Bowling Green. We consider ourselves to be a manufacturer of an engineered solution for our customers.
The people on the shop floor that are running the machines, making the parts, they know what's going on with their system.
The quality is everything. I mean, without quality, there's nothing. That's what we build our basis on here is quality, safety and quality.
We have a very state-of-the-art quality lab that's in place that allows us to do a lot of complex testing on components.
We overstress our parts so we know it'll work in the field.
Lord goes above and beyond to make sure the customer gets a good quality part.
Quality is what's going to keep the company, number one. It's what makes us stand out.
We are second to none in this business.